Hi, my name's Lucy and I'm part of the team at PTFS Europe. In today's What's on Our Mind, I'm going to take a look at the Call Number Browser plugin. This is a plugin that you can add to your cataloguing frameworks, and it allows you to quickly check for existing call numbers and shelf marks in your catalogue. It has been available in Koha for a while, but if it's not already added to your frameworks, you may not even be aware of it. So it's really easy to use. Once you're cataloguing, if you go to a catalogue record, you can either use it when you're adding or editing items. So I'm just going to edit this item here. Takes me to the edit item screen. So for this item here that's listed at the top, if I scroll down, I'm going to be looking at the full call number subfield. And as you can see, I've got a Dewey number in here already. All I do is click on the three little dots at the end of the field, and it opens up a pop-up window. And in here, it lists the call numbers either side of the call number that you've already added into that field. So if I scroll down, we can see this green light is where our call number would fit in on the shelves at the current time. So you can see the call numbers in use either side. So it's really good for checking for consistency when you're adding call numbers or shelf marks. You do also have a search at the top. So if I wanted to search to see if there was a different call number that I could use, just change that up there and search. If I scroll down now, you can see I've got some exact matches. So that 0.815 has been used before, and that's highlighted very clearly there in red. So you can use it to search or to browse. As I say, you can go back in. I could edit that call number now, and then I could run the plugin again if I wanted to. So it's very, very simple to use. So if you wanted to make use of this, how would you set that up in your frameworks? If I go across, just cancel out of that record. If I go across to administration and then to my MARC bibliographic frameworks, I'll show you how you can add that plugin into that call number field. So first I choose my framework, and in this case I'm going to look at the books framework. So I go to actions and MARC structure, and it's in the MARC structure where I set the tags and the subfields that I want to see in my framework or in my template. And all the item subfields are in the 952 fields. That's where your item fields are stored. So search for 952 tag. That now displays at the top, 952. I go to actions again, and this time into edit subfields. The different subfields are listed at the top in different tabs. So I go to O, which is where the call number is stored. It's showing me there in the text. It says it's the full call number, it's subfield code O. Right down at the bottom, in the other options, I have a plugin field, and here there's a drop-down list, and I've already got the cn_browser.pl plugin installed in there, which is our call number browser. So just to show you what is available in there, you would come through and you would search just near the top. You've got cn_browser. You can see there are some other plugins that you could explore in here. Most of them are already set up if they need to be. They're set up as part of the install of Koha. There's just a few really that you can add as options, and this is one of them. So I'd save those changes. And you then should see that plugin, those three little dots at the end of the call number field in that particular framework. So very easy to use, very easy to set up, and that's all there is to it. So thank you very much for watching.